program has many different options. It has an accelerated program during the day where a student can earn a certificate in 18 weeks and be employable with a certificate of achievement. There's a longer degree that's in the evening that would be more expanded for a certificate of achievement advanced that would get into more areas. They would cross over to machining, CNC machining, over into the quality using inspection equipment, quality control courses. So there's a degree for people that really want to expand their knowledge and even enhance their employability skills.
I would definitely say it would most benefit people who are new. However, I think there is a lot to be gained, if you are somebody who's already in the industry and, either wants to expand the scope of their knowledge, or if, they've been in the industry for a while and they want to see career development.
And we also have an expanding 3D printing additive manufacturing program that supports all types of technologies, including metal 3D printing.
We're learning a lot in the classroom through lectures, and we also get to go into the lab and work on the machines hands-on.
So the program is expanding to multi-axis, expanding in robotics, expanding in additive manufacturing. So Anza has always been at the forefront of technology, and in some cases having equipment, including the robotics, that have been placed at the college before many of the small manufacturing companies even have it.
The equipment and facilities that they have here are definitely really helpful because there's a lot of modern and new machines.
Anza is always one of the top colleges due to its cutting-edge technology and its partnerships with industry, along with the instructors and administration here.
If I could describe my experience at Anza, it would be life-changing.
Anza's students are trained specifically on equipment that is in demand in the area and gives them an advantage to walk in, make themselves employable right as soon as they show up. At this time, there is a severe shortage of skilled individuals in these areas of manufacturing. As soon as a student finishes their certification, a student could qualify as a job anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $70,000 a year. More advanced students that have come back have made up in the range of 70. Some of the students that are working in some of the tech companies for us have increased students to $100,000 a year.
They offer both morning and evening classes, so at least for me personally, I work full-time and I know a lot of people who are in this trade or going to school for this stuff. They all work. It is a really rewarding experience and you can feel really proud about the things that you're able to make and the things you're able to do. Not just even in this class, but going forward in your career or wherever these skills come in handy.